Change HVAC filters and verify system operation before moving in to ensure good air quality and reliable heating and cooling from day one. Start by replacing all HVAC filters with the correct size and minimum efficiency reporting value rating recommended by the system manufacturer, and keep a spare set on hand. Schedule a professional inspection within the first 30 days to test refrigerant levels, airflow, safety controls, and the heat exchanger, so you avoid unseen failures. Request written notes on any parts nearing end of life. Clean supply and return vents with a vacuum and brush, and remove visible dust and debris. If you smell mold or see excessive buildup, arrange duct cleaning and provide the technician with photos and exact vent locations. Locate the circuit breaker panel, label the HVAC breakers if they are not already labeled, and test the thermostat functions while watching the system cycle so you learn normal sounds and timing. Record the model numbers for the furnace, air handler, condensing unit, and thermostat, and save any owner manuals or digital downloads in a single folder for easy reference. Set recurring maintenance reminders on your calendar for filter changes every 3 months for standard homes or monthly for homes with pets or allergies, and schedule professional tune-ups once a year for a heat pump or twice a year for separate heating and cooling systems. Common mistakes include installing the wrong filter size, which reduces airflow and stresses the blower motor, so measure the filter slot and verify the exact dimensions before purchase. Another issue is delaying a professional inspection, which lets small problems become costly failures. So book the inspection within the first month and ask for a prioritized repair list you can act on. A third problem is not knowing where controls and breakers are, causing panic when the system trips. So immediately label breakers. Keep thermostat manuals with your system records and run a quick on-off test so you understand normal behavior. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors related to HVAC maintenance and filter replacement, and provides a place for contractors to find work. We also host an active discussion community where we share tips and experiences about moving in, maintenance schedules, and trusted local service recommendations.